This landing page took only 4 prompts. Here you can see the clean landing page built from Lovable. And I have also built another landing page through bold.new. And this is the landing page from that particular platform, which I have modified a little bit with cursor to finalize. And this is the landing page cleanliness I will use. The same design principle I will use here. And that's how my landing page is done. This is the day 2 of 7-day series of building an MVP using AI. All thing with AI. As promised, on day 1, I built my landing page. I finalized the 3 templates of building a landing page, and I will finalize on final day on how to write the copy of the landing page. And I have built a starter template which I have said that I will use Postgres database, and then ORM, then for payments Polar, and then authentication Better Auth. So I have built this particular stack, the starter kit, not on day 1, but I have prepared some of the parts beforehand and I finalized it today. I have open sourced this project on GitHub as well. You can go and fork it and use for your own use. So as I told you, this is all about AI. So I have feeded all the context about all my notes to this chat, and it has given me the initial database schema, the phases on how I should build this MVP. So I have make it in a mind map, and once I do them, I will color grade them with green color so that I know what are the tasks I've completed. And I told it about I need referral location as well as different UTM parameters. And that's why it has given me the enhanced database schema, which I have break down into different mind map for URL management, for analytics, for key features like UTM management, referral detection, and also maintain the privacy. After that, it has also given me the code tables which I need for this particular MVP. I already had the users table, verification table, sessions table for Better Auth. Now I will have this additional tables like leads and lead magnet for my MVP. And I will extend the user table for Plunk API key and then subscription status of different users. This is the plan of MVP. And in the end, I will show you the demo or how to build this starter kit, like how to use this starter kit. So this is the plan of day 2, not day 2, maybe day 2 or day 3. It may take time because when we plan using AI and when we do something from our own, that is theoretical approach. And when we try to apply this same logic into cursor, things changes. AI suggests its own implementation and we have to cater that as well because AI suggestions are not bad at all. And we have to iterate on the go. That's why this particular phase of building MVP is little bit rough and it varies when we are developing it because the features we think is good may not be good when it comes to implementation, and what we think is not good may be good when it comes to implementation. So only time will tell how the final MVP will come, but the majority features which we are thinking and that is main is the lead magnet form builder, then URL management, and after that analytics, which no other tools are giving at the same price. That is the goal. And after that, let's see how to run this starter kit. This starter kit is very basic. It contains authentication, then our payments with polar.sh and things like that. So you can see here everything you need. Like this is a very simple landing page and you can see there is the pricing card. I have categorized it into free, monthly, yearly and lifetime so that you can customize according to your own needs. I have already purchased free plan, not free, the monthly, sorry, the yearly and the lifetime plan. I purchased them So I'm just going to sign in and show you how things look in the dashboard. So this is sign in, and after getting signed in, and remember, we are sending verification link through use plan. So this is the lifetime access. You can see I have bought it for $299, which is a test card. And if I go to profile, this is a profile card. Then if I go to manage subscription, this is the manage subscription. And if I want to change, I cannot change because I'm already on lifetime. So I will log out and logged into different account which uses the plan management, and I will use that. The main motive is to show you that you can use Better Auth SDK and Polar plugin inside the Better Auth SDK only. So this is the yearly plan, and if I go to manage subscription, I can see I can cancel it, I can upgrade to lifetime, or I can change plan. So let's go to cancel subscription. So cancel subscription has moved me to this particular URL, and this is the customer portal. So this is the portal managed by polar.sh itself. So I am not building it. So I can either change the plan according to my own need, or I can view subscription to cancel the subscription, and I can download the invoice as well. And once I'm done, I can go back to the platform itself. So this is the app which I have built as a starter kit, which you can use for your own use cases. And using Polar gives you usage based pricing as well. So if you are building an AI MVP, you can use that. And this is all about day 2. And one more thing which I wanted to let you know about this particular starter template is that when I implemented it with the in the first time, it was running fine. But when I started to work on yesterday, there was some pitfalls. For example, customer portal, which is offered by Better Auth and Polar plugin, is not accessible. There was some issue, and the orders were not shown. So I have created a fallback, like directly calling the Polar API key. You can see if I reload this particular page, it will show you what are the API endpoints we are calling. This get session API endpoint is called by the Better Auth. This state it again called by Better Auth and Polar's plugin. List is again called by Better Auth and Polar, and this is giving 500 internal server error. So this is a problem which I face, and that's why I created a fallback endpoint URL, and that is it fetches the order or if there is any further user. So you can use it. It is safe to use. The subscription is working fine, and if you want to use the one time subscription or one lifetime payments, you can use the fallback URL. So I have set it up. You can use the starter kit, and let's build SaaS startups together and thrive also. And after that, if I go to log out, it simply logs out. So this is the landing page and the dashboard. And I have built landing page using bold.new, then lovable. You can see. So this was, and I will integrate on the final day the landing page and the MVP. And now I will work on the app core itself, which is bit tricky, but it is something very interesting. It is the only differentiator from other vibe coded tools which you can use. So see you in the next video, hopefully tomorrow, and I will give you the more updates.